Hello everyone. Today we will solve FCFS disk scheduling example. Okay. So consider work queue that is cylinder number 180, 60, 11, 70, 40 and 10. Okay. And scheduled by FCFS, that is FIFO algorithm, first in first out and first come first serve. There are 200 cylinders numbered from 0 to 199. The disk head starts at number 50. Okay. So we will start writing the solution. First of all, we have to make the number line, and then we will allocate each of these cylinders, that is 180, 60, 11, 70, 40 and 10 on the number line. Okay, so first of all, we have to like the initial and the maximum, that is 0 and 199. We will write that down. Then we have to point the head, that is at number 50. Okay, we have done the 0 to 199. Now we have to complete for the number 50 over here, because the disk head starts at number 50. Then as per our input, it will go towards the 180, then 60, then 11, then 70, then 40, then 10. Okay, so let us allocate all these. So over here, that is 10. Then we have another input is 11. Then we have 40. Then we have 60. Then we have 70. And then we have 180. Okay, so we have allocated all these disk on the number line. Now let us start. So requests are placed in the queue. So the disk head is initially at 50. It will go towards the 180. Okay, so over here I will connect these. So let me just make a point over here for 180. Okay, so let us connect this. Now it will go to 60 after going to 180. So disk head after going to 180 will go to 60 as per the order that it came. Okay, so because this is first come first serve. So now after 60 we have 11. So it will go towards the 11. So let us point this down. Okay, so we will connect this. Then it will go towards the 70. So let us make for the 70 now. As you can see, after 11 there is 70. So let us make a point over here, and then we will connect it. Okay, so let us connect it now. Okay, so after 70 it goes to 40. So let us make a point over here at 40, and let us connect it out. Now after 40 it will go towards the 10. So at the 10 we will make a point over here. So over here, and then we will connect this. Okay, so now we have completed the disk queue, and the read write head was initially at 50 and it went to cylinder 10. Okay, so now we will calculate the total head movement. So for determining the total head movement, we will just add the differences between the movement of that read write head. Okay, so let us calculate the head. So we have to just find the number of tracks it took to move from one request to the next one. Okay, so first of all, it is 180 minus 50. Then it goes from 180 towards 60. Then from 60 it goes towards the 11. So 60 minus 11. We always have to take the positive difference. Okay, now it goes to 70. So 70 minus 11. Now from 70 it goes towards the 40. So 70 minus 40. And then after 40 it went towards the 10. So 40 minus 10. Okay, so now 180 minus 50, that is 130. Okay, 180 minus 60, that is 120. Okay, and then 60 minus 11 is 49. 70 minus 11 is 59. 70 minus 40 is 30. and 40 minus 10 is 30. Okay, so now we will add this. So 130 plus 120 is 250. 49 plus 59 is 108, and 30 plus 30 is 60. Okay, so now we will add these. So 250 plus 168, which is 418. Okay, so as you can see, the advantage of this FCFS disk scheduling is that every request got its fair chance and there were not any indefinite postponement of any request. But it has the disadvantage that this algorithm does not try to optimize the seek time because the nearest of the disk queue were not given the or granted their request of the input output. Okay, as you can see, the seek time was not optimized, and from 180 it went to the 60, and then it went towards the 11 without giving the input output permission to the other. That is, we left 70 and 40. So we just went from the initial head, then the disk queue. Okay, so from 50 it went to 180, then it went to the 60, then 11, then 70, then it went to 40, then 10. Okay, and then we just calculated the sum of differences. So 180 minus 50, and then like that we did for all of these, and then this 40 minus 10. Okay, and then we just calculate the sum. So whenever you come across this type of question, you have to solve it like this. So thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below if you are having any doubts or you want me to make video on a particular topic or a program, and see you all in the next video. So till then, study more, worry less, and all the best for your exams. Bye bye.